Time must be a slow day for the media. Just 5 more lies about me on Wikipedia.